Hi, I'm Eric King. I'm a recipe developer and the creator of the baking blog, Easy Gay Oven. My sister insists on a confetti cake every year for her birthday. So we're going to make a confetti cake, rainbow sprinkles inside the batter with a really simple cream cheese buttercream to go on top. Before I make the batter, I'm going to preheat our Oster countertop oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna start by mixing our dry ingredients first. So I'm gonna take cake flour, all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, 3/4 cup of sugar. And I'm gonna use this Oster hand mixer to whisk everything together. So the next thing we're gonna do is add the butter. So I'll start off with just 1 tablespoon at first. I'm just gonna add the rest. You're gonna mix together all of our liquid ingredients. So buttermilk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and 1 egg, 1 egg white. I'm just gonna use a fork to whisk all this together. We're gonna slowly pour in the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients while we have the mixer on low. And then we're gonna do the rest by hand using a rubber spatula so that we don't miss anything and everything's nice and incorporated. Rainbow sprinkles and mix it in by hand. Spread the batter into our prepared tin. So I'm gonna take an offset spatula, just a small one, to spread it out just so that it's even. So now that we've spread our batter into the tin, I'm gonna stick it in the oven for about 28 minutes. So we know it's done because it's nice and golden brown on top. Okay, so while the cake is still cooling, we are going to make our cream cheese buttercream frosting for the top. So we're gonna start off with some unsalted butter, powdered sugar, just a pinch of salt, and about a teaspoon of vanilla. So we're just gonna continue beating this until it's light and fluffy and almost like a pale yellow. Okay, so now we're ready to add in our softened cream cheese. It's really important that this is at room temperature. Okay, now that our cake is completely cooled, we are ready to top it with the buttercream frosting that we made. I like to take a big scoop right in the center. I'm gonna use my favorite tool, which is the small offset spatula. And of course, the reason why we're all here, these rainbow sprinkles, just measure with your heart. Okay, how does that look? I love confetti cake because it makes anybody feel special on any occasion, especially birthdays. And this is the one I'm gonna make for my sister for years to come. I hope you try it, I hope you enjoy it.